Hello and welcome to today's lecture on technological resources in ISO 17100. I'm Devarshika Nigam and I'll be guiding you through the various technologies and tools that play a crucial role in the translation processes as outlined by ISO 17100 standard. What is ISO 17100? ISO 17100 is an international standard that specifies requirements for all aspects of the translation process, including the use of technological resources. This standard ensures that translation services are delivered efficiently and meet high-quality standards through the use of appropriate technology. Importance of technological resources. Technological resources are essential for enhancing the efficiency, consistency, and quality of translation services. These tools help streamline workflows, manage terminology, ensure consistency, and support quality assurance processes. Let's explore the key technological resources recommended by ISO 17100. Computer-assisted translation. Computer-assisted translation or CAT tools are a cornerstone of modern translation workflows. These tools provide translators with features like translation memory, terminology management, and real-time suggestions. Translation memory stores previously translated segments, allowing for reuse in future projects, thereby improving consistency and efficiency. Translation memory system. Translation memory systems store and retrieve previously translated segments of text. When similar or identical segments appear in new texts, the TM suggests these pre-translated segments, saving time and ensuring consistency across projects. This is particularly useful for large projects with repetitive content. Terminology management systems. Terminology management systems help maintain consistent use of terms throughout the translation process. These systems allow translators to store, manage, and retrieve approved terms and their translations. This ensures that specific terminology is used accurately and consistently, which is vital for technical, medical, legal, and other specialized translations. Quality assurance tools. Quality assurance tools are designed to check translations for errors such as inconsistencies, missing translations, terminology misuse, and formatting issues. These tools automate the QA process, helping translators and project managers ensure that the final product meets the required quality standards before delivery. Machine translation and post-editing. Machine translation systems use artificial intelligence to automatically translate text. While MT can significantly speed up the translation processes, it often requires post-editing by human translators to ensure accuracy and fluency. Post-editing involves refining the machine-generated translations to meet the desired quality standards. Project management software. Project management software is crucial for coordinating translation projects, particularly those involving multiple languages and large teams. These tools help manage project timelines, resources, communication, and deliverables. They ensure that all aspects of the project are tracked and managed efficiently from start to finish. Collaboration platforms. Collaboration platforms facilitate communication and coordination among project managers, translators, reviewers, and clients. These platforms often include features like chat, file sharing, version control, and real-time collaboration, making it easier to manage complex projects and ensure all stakeholders are aligned. Secure file transfer and data protection. ISO 17100 emphasizes the importance of data security and confidentiality. Secure file transfer protocols and data protection measures ensure that sensitive information is protected throughout the translation process. This includes using encrypted communication channels and secure storage solutions. Continuous professional development. Staying updated with the latest technological advancement is crucial for translation professionals. Continuous professional development activities such as training sessions, workshops, and certification courses help translators and project managers stay proficient with current tools and technologies. In conclusion, technological resources play a vital role in delivering high-quality translation services as specified in ISO 17100 by leveraging tools like CAT, TM, terminology management systems, QA tools, MT, project management software, and collaboration platforms. Translation providers can ensure efficiency, consistency, and security. Thank you for joining us today and for your attention. I hope this lecture has provided valuable insights into the technological resources recommended by ISO 17100. Feel free to reach out with any further questions, and for more detailed discussions and specific tools and technologies. Should you have any further questions or need additional information, feel free to ask. Have a great day. Thank you.